You're watching the Weiss channel. Here is part 2, basically, of radical equations. Radical equations. All right. So here's an example. All right. Now, notice that in this one, there's a square root that has x in it, and then on the other side of the equation, there's an x without the square root. That is what complicates matters here. Okay, so we're going to start by squaring both sides in order to get rid of the square root. Okay, we square both sides. Now, when you square the left side, you simply get 41 minus 2x. But when you square the right side, you got to do x minus 3 times x minus 3. So you have to FOIL, right? Which is going to give you x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we're going to get the left side of the equation equal to 0. I'm going to minus 41 to both sides, and I'm also going to add 2x to both sides. Okay, that's going to give me 0 equals x squared minus 4x minus 32. Now I got to factor that equation. Okay, so I get 0 equals x minus 8 times x plus 4, which means x minus 8 equals 0 and x plus 4 equals 0. So I get x equals 8 and x equals negative 4. Now, I have two answers here, and I'm going to try both of them to see which one works. So I'm going to take this 8 right here, and I'm going to put it back in for x all the way up in the problem. 2 times 8 is 16. 41 minus 16 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Putting 8 in here, 8 minus 3 is 5. That works. 5 equals 5. So 8 works. Let's talk about why negative 4 doesn't work. If I put negative 4 in for x here, I have 41 minus 2 times negative 4. That means 41 plus 8, which is 49. The square root of 49 is 7. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. Does positive 7 equal negative 7? No, it does not. So negative 4 does not work. 8 is your only correct answer for this problem. Let's look at one more. All right. We're going to square both sides. Square root of 9x plus 73 squared will give me 9x plus 73.
Why are you on the floor?
X plus 7 squared, I got to do x plus 7 times x plus 7. I'm going to FOIL that. That's going to give me x squared plus 14x plus 49. I'm going to get 0 on the left side, so I'm going to minus 9x and minus 73 to both sides. It will give me x squared plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. I have to factor x plus 8 times x minus 3. So I get x plus 8 equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0, giving me x equals negative 8, x equals positive 3. Let's try negative 8 first. If I put negative 8 in for x, I get 9 times negative 8 is negative 72. Negative 72 plus 73 is 1. The square root of 1 is positive 1. Negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. Does positive 1 equal negative 1? No. So negative 8 is out. Let's try 3. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 73 is 100. The square root of 100 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. So does 10 equal 10? Why, yes. So x equals 3 is your answer. You've been watching the Weiss channel.
Close the Weiss channel.
You want to close the Weiss channel?
Yeah.
Sion would like to close the Weiss channel.
You're watching the Wise Channel. Da, 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 da. Yeah.
Thank you.